Hi guys, this is a tutorial showing you the process that I used to count the objects in the yeast image. The first step, naturally, is to open the yeast image and find it wherever you have it saved on your computer. Mine is in the Images for Projects folder, which I downloaded off of the website. So there we go. We have the yeast image open now. The next step that I did was I duplicated the image by going to Image and then Duplicate. And then that creates a duplicate image of yeast. I took the duplicate image and I went to Process, Filters, Gaussian Blur. I set the radius to 100, and you can preview it if you want, but there's no real need to do that. Click OK, and now you basically have an image representing the background of the original yeast image. The next step is to subtract the background. I used the image calculator instead of the subtract background command because I wasn't familiar with that, but I went to image calculator and I took the original yeast 2 and subtracted the duplicate, which is the background here, and then OK, and it creates the image in a new window. So this is now the third image. This image is a representation of the first image, just without the background. What I now did was go to Process, Binary, Make Binary, and this is now a binary image with, as you can see, very clear black and white objects are defined. And what I did was I eroded it, and then I dilated it a little bit. This is to make the shapes more cohesive, I suppose. So do this a couple times till there's no real guideline on how I did it, but I think I did it 3 times, just because now they all look pretty, without many holes or anything like that. And this is obviously a very easy image, but this concept applies to any of the images that we did the counting on. And finally, what I used was analyze particles, and then we get this over here. And the only thing that I really changed was I made sure it would do display results, and it'll analyze it in a lot of different ways, but I liked outlines because it basically shows an outline of the shape and gives you a count. So click OK, and that creates a new image with here are the results, and oh, grabbed the wrong thing. And here's the new image. As you can see, each shape has a number in it, and it shows the outline of the shape. And you have this nifty little display or whatever over here, which shows 1, and it shows the area, and mean, min, and max are all going to be the same because it's a binary image, obviously. But yeah, it shows 24 particles of yeast in this image. So that is a pretty quick and simple tutorial of what we did to count the images, or to count the particles or yeast or objects in these images. So thanks.